Scientists believe that there are 24 different classes of atheists. The first criteria for developing a matrix of atheism is to ask an atheist near the end of their life, would they change anything? One answer is no. I wouldn't change anything because if I did, I wouldn't be me. The other option is, yes, I had a refrigerator door with a hinge on the wrong side. For 20 years, I had to walk around to open it. I should have changed that. My life would have been better. Now, these are designated as atheist delta slash and atheist delta. The Greek letter delta is used to indicate change, among other things in science. So delta slash means no change, and delta means change. So you have atheist delta slash and atheist delta. Now, along with this, after careful research, it was discovered that some atheists have colostomy bags, atheist C+, and others do not, atheist C-. Now, at this point in the discovery of the different classes of atheism, there were 4 different types of atheists. There was atheist delta slash C+, meaning you don't want to have any change at the end of your life and you have a colostomy bag. There's delta slash C-, no change at the end of life, and you don't have a colostomy bag. There's atheist delta C+, you want to have that change, and you have a colostomy bag, and then there's going to be atheist delta C-. You want to make that change, and you don't have a colostomy bag. So those are the 4 classes of atheists that were discovered, and this is about 1986. And after many years, no additional discoveries were made. But then in 2005, there was a breakthrough. They found among atheists that have or don't have colostomy bags that some of them wanted those bags and some of them did not. The classification was W+ for wanting and W- for not wanting. And interestingly enough, some of the atheists with colostomy bags wanted them, and some of the atheists without them wanted them, and the opposite was also true. So at this point now, we have 8 different classes of atheists, and I'll let you work that out. And this was the state of the art in classifying atheists until very, very recently. In 2009, an additional discovery was made, and they found out that atheists could have normal mass, excessive mass, or they could be obese. And this was classified as atheist, let's say normal, would be N. Atheist excessive mass would be atheist X. And atheist obese would be atheist O. And now you could classify an atheist as, let's say, atheist delta C+, W+, and O. Now, I don't just remember what I said because it's just too hard. But that's one of them, and you can figure out which one it is and send that in to me, and I'll say, way to go. Now, what's interesting about this is they didn't understand why the original 8 had 2 additional families. But what they discovered was, and this was just a few months ago, they discovered the godless particle. That's right, which was mediated through the godless field, which they believe gives atheists mass. And this is the current state of the art in classifying atheists. I hope you enjoyed this, and I'll keep you informed of the latest developments in the science of atheism.